Okay, come here.
And we're here. He's in South Florida right now.
Yes, doing your thing.
Doing our thing at Dansa L.
Yes.
Studio.
Dansa
So you
L
ready?
Studio.
Yes.
Don't mind my hair.
What's
So,
wrong with it? It look nice.
so you play a good girl or a bad girl?
I'm a good girl. I'm a bad girl.
Deja, your wall is a nice one or a nasty one?
Nasty.
Nasty. It's not true. She's a nice guy. And Dipimo is
As always.
nasty behind your camera. So, Maswife, tell me what Maswife means.
Drama.
It means something much more than dramas. Say it.
More problems and
Say
craziness.
Maswife.
Maswife.
So, do you wanna, go through Maswife in your life?
No.
No. But I know ladies love dramas.
Yes, everybody loves drama. I don't, but hey, everybody loves drama.
Yeah, so, but me, I don't like. Men usually men don't love drama. So it's a women thing, dramas.
Is it always a women thing?
Yes.
I don't think it's always a women thing. The men's love drama too. Guaranteed.
No.
Some
Men create drama. We
Yeah, they
create
love
it,
it
but
so
we
much,
don't
they
love
create
it.
it.
Uh-huh.
They love it so much they create it. Let
Some
them
of them created it too. Yes, not just
Some or
women.
most?
Yeah, some.
DP Moise, do you love dramas?
Oh no. I'm a peacemaker. I
Yes.
just love peace. Making peace and love.
So guys, be ready for
Maswife 2. What she said.
what she said. Say it. We wanna hear.
Maswife 2.
Guys, she doesn't speak Creole, but trust me, she will
gonna
learn.
Get better.
But as long as you can say, okay, let me see. Sac passé.
Not voulez.
Ou son scientifique très laid, oui.
That was a good answer because you ain't
But she's very smart. She's very smart. She knows it's not a good thing.
Yeah.
Very smart. Maswife 2 is coming.
Soon.
Soon to the tea time.
Yes.
Maswife is coming.
Soon. Stay tuned.
Yes. But you know what? The two ladies know to dance very well. But they're so good in acting. So that's why we're so blessed to have them and Maswife. Yo kon danser, c'est vrai, mais yo kon jouer très bien. So préparez-nous, Maswife a venir très bientôt.
Yeah, it's gonna be good.
A préparer.